Make money online by clicking ads. Have you ever thought about starting to make money online but, instead of doing so with the most usual means you find online such as affiliate programs or by starting your own online store, doing it by clicking ads on web pages? That is indeed a viable way for you to start making a decent amount of money. To help you understand better how these PTC, pay to click, and GPT, get paid to, websites work and what they are, I will show you a list including all the best options for you to make money by clicking ads. Find out what the options are and explore what makes each of them unique up to the end of the video. In this video we will see 10 best website that you can make money by clicking ads. This is Norbipol TV, please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. Let's start. 1. Neobux. Neobux is certainly a great option for those who want to make money clicking ads. The amount of money you can receive will depend on your sign-up type to the platform, as well as the quality and the type of ad you're clicking. On its upside, Neobux doesn't have any limitations as to how much you can click every day or how much income you can generate. The minimum withdrawal amount for the first payment is $2 and they use primarily the platforms Skrill and Neteller to do so. Learn more on their official website. 2. GPTplanet. With GPTplanet you can make up to 1 cent per click on ads or by taking part in surveys and filling out online forms. Besides that, the platform also offers an affiliate program, where you can bring more users to start using this service and receive based on how well they perform. All you need to start clicking on ads to make money online on GPTplanet, is to sign up for free. 3. Get Paid. Get Paid is an excellent option among the websites to make money clicking ads. It's been up and running since 2005 and it works based on a coin system for users who complete certain tasks. They include clicking ads, filling out forms, taking part in some online surveys, and even offers a few random contests. Get Paid sends payments to your PayPal account. To start using it to make your extra income. 4. ScarletClick. Similar to GPTplanet, ScarletClick is a website that'll pay you up to 1 cent per click on online ads and is one of the best ways to make money online. Its minimum withdrawal amount is $2, which can be done via Neteller, AirTM, Skrill, and other platforms like these. The service offers a platform that shows you in detail everything you've made and it also offers you support. 5. ySense. Considered a global community to make money online, ySense is also a very good option to earn by clicking on ads. They act mostly in the questionnaires and online forms areas. However, they also pay users to try out certain services and products, download apps, sign up to websites, or even to watch videos. 6. Offernation. Another amazing alternative among the websites to make money clicking on ads. Offernation will give you 25 cents from the get-go, as soon as you sign up. Unlike other platforms, they have a web page dedicated exclusively to proving they actually pay their users. This is a website that works in the GPT, get paid to, model. That is, its users will get paid for performing specific actions, such as clicking ads, filling out forms, and more. 7. Ayuwage. A GPT website that was founded in 2009, Ayuwage allows its users to make money by watching and clicking ads or by partaking in online surveys or filling out forms. Their front page has a 9-part video guide where you can learn exactly how it works. Its payments are done mainly via PayPal, Payza, and Amazon gift cards. 8. Swagbucks, exclusive for those who live in the USA, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. Swagbucks is another website focused on video ads. It offers a point system and a cashback one that can then be converted into gift cards for online marketplaces such as Amazon, or to your PayPal account. Swagbucks' main focus is in making your day-to-day online activities in a way to passively make money and, according to the data they present, they've paid almost $450 million to their users. 9. FusionCash. FusionCash is a great alternative among the websites to make money by clicking on ads. Beyond adverts, you'll also be able to make some extra cash by filling out forms and online surveys. A nice edge found on FusionCash is that you can make money by installing mobile apps. Unfortunately, it is only available for American residents, and it also only lets you withdraw your money when you've reached at least $25 on the platform. The payments are by PayPal, gift cards, and some other methods. 10. Bux Inc. Finishing off our list, we have Bux Inc., which also has a few neat advantages. They pay their users exclusively for the activities that involve clicking ads or navigating on the advertiser's page for at least 30 seconds. The service has over 100,000 users and has paid over $1.5 million among them. Did you like any of the websites to make money by clicking on ads? Did you already know this was a way to make money online? Let us know in the comments which one of these websites you're interested in using, or even if you already knew them. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share this video.